Alrighty, so now we're going to configure our footer. We're going to start with adding the container to our canvas at the bottom. And like always, we're going to give it a class name, something easy, footer. And this container is going to hold two elements. So in the content, we're going to select a rule element as a separator, and we're going to add in one extra container. This new container that we are adding is actually going to hold the navigation links. So let's go ahead and give this a class, the footer nav. And within that container, let's actually include those text links. So we're going to add the first link, and in the style, let's give it the name footer link. And start our styles. First, let's do the typography, our font type. And let's go ahead and change the color. And go ahead and change it by right-click, edit text. And we'll go ahead and just type right on the screen. Next, from the Styles pane, we're going to click the duplicate button 2 times. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and change the text. So if we do right-click, edit text, we can go ahead and change the second one to Made with CSS Grid Builder, the great app you're using now. And the second, we're going to change to Check It Out. With that done, select the container holding the links and go to the Styles pane, where we're going to choose the Display Flex. And we'll set the wrap control to wrap, and the align, if my clicker will work, set the align items to center and the justify to center. This will move them right into the middle of its container. But they are still squished together. So under the layout section, go ahead and scroll down to dimensions, where I'm going to go ahead and give it a 10 pixel for top and bottom and a 20 pixel left and right to give them some breathing room in that lower section. Finally, I'm going to select the container that's holding those buttons, and I'm going to give it some bottom margin so that it kind of gives it some bottom space, 60 pixels. And let's preview that, and there we have it. Our page is now fully in place.